Welcome to our virtual showroom. Today we want to talk about tactile and non-tactile testing of electronic devices. The requirements for this kind of application is the scanning in XY direction of the probe, adjustment of the testing probe in multi-degrees of freedom, force control for tactile measurements, and of course industrial standards for the automation control. The solution in this case is a linear motor-driven XY stage, a spindle-driven Z stage. On top of that we have a hexaport for the multiple degree of freedom adjustment of the probe itself, and a voice coil-driven system with a force sensor to control the tactile measurements. Everything is controlled via ACS SPI Plus EtherCAT-based motion control system. The key features of this system is for the XY stage, it is linear motor driven, therefore achieves high speed, high resolution and a 24/7 capability. The Z stage plus the hexaports offers us a 6 degrees adjustment for angle of incident and freeform components, a flexible in programming the pivot point, high stiffness, high resolution, and for the Z-axis it is self-locking if powered off. The voice coil system has an integrated force sensor for the tactile measurements. Whatever is the right technology, we will use it in your application. Talk to us.